Okay.
Hi friends, this is Bhargav Modi from Edugo Abroad once again. Today in this call, I've got Dr. Vidhi Nayak, and she is now flying to Ireland for Fall 21 intake. Uh, it is not a scripted video at all. So I spoke to Vidhi today morning, and if whether she has time or not. So she mentioned that yes, she'll be available for a quick call, as in why she is flying in such a time, in which country she is flying, and how was her complete process. So let's start the call with Vidhi. Hi Vidhi, would you like to introduce yourself to our students, our viewers?
Yeah, sure. Hello, everyone. Myself, Dr. Vidhi Nayak. I'm a physiotherapist and I'm in practice since last 5 to 6 years. And after that, I have also decided to go with foreign education. So here, let's continue.
Okay, so Vidhi, my first question is it's not a strange question for me, but for a lot of students, for them this can be a very strange question. You are going to Ireland. Now आपके पास बहुत सारी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग नेशंस है जहाँ पे आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. फॉर एन एग्जांपल कनाडा है, यूके है या यूएसए है. So not all these English speaking nations. Why did you choose Ireland for your education?
Yeah, yes, sir. आप एकदम right हो because Ireland is like one of the English speaking country. Other than that, कि वहाँ पे different type के people you will get definitely. Then you will get the MFQ level 9. ओके तो ये एक ऑर्डर है या यू कैन से स्केल है कि जहाँ पे आपको हायर लेवल के कोर्सेज ऑफर हो रहे हैं. सेकंड थिंग कि वो इकोनॉमिक है, बजट फ्रेंडली कोर्सेज है, ट्यूशन फीस आर डेफिनेटली फिट्स इन योर पॉकेट. देन दैट यू विल गेट द 1 year मास्टर कोर्स एंड उसके ऊपर यू विल गेट द वर्क परमिट फॉर 2 years. आफ्टर वर्किंग फॉर अनदर 2 years you will get it, definitely get your PR. So this is like my favorite points that why I'm choosing Ireland, because even you are secured with your future.
What is your research on Irish culture? Because what I've heard from my students, the Irish people, they love the Indian curry, they love the Indians a lot, and the culture is very vibrant. So what is your research on that?
Irish people are like very friendly. Plus one or twice I have spoke to one of them. They are very polite as well. Plus you will get the different cultured people over there, not only Irish, Mexican and other European country people will be there too.
Wonderful. Okay. Now I understand why you chose Ireland over any other English speaking nations. दूसरा क्वेश्चन बहुत सिंपल है. It is a tough time for everyone. It's a pandemic time. It is, though the cases across the globe are going down, still you being a girl, why are you planning to travel in fall 21 intake?
Yeah, COVID is like a very high time for every one of us. But actually Ireland is the only country कि जो पूरे entire COVID time में एक भी बार बंद नहीं हुई है. They are dealing in such a good manner with COVID as well. Plus वहाँ पे जो students जाते हैं, they have even given 1,000+ euro stipend to them if they are not getting the job.
Yeah.
Plus they are having certain rules about that, something like self-isolation and mandatory hotel quarantine. But definitely you can go and adjust yourself over there very easily.
Yeah, this is a great point because none of the country I've seen in last 1.5 year offering so many perks to international students and giving away the 1,000+ euros per month if you do not have any work. It really boosts your morale. So yeah, I think I agree with your point. Now the third question I have. This is the most common question I receive from a lot of our students, prospect students. Uh, yeah, Ireland की file करनी बहुत difficult है. So how was your experience? Do you really agree to this, or you have a different opinion?
No, I don't agree with this because it's mostly similar to all the other countries. Like you just have to take your offer letter first. Then you will give your all documents, your letter of recommendation or SOPs and all the things. Once you receive the offer, आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ fees pay करनी है. I guess that's it. इसके अलावा ज़्यादा you just have to give your IELTS, your English proficiency. And currently even they are accepting the Duolingo.
They do, yes.
Yeah, so this is how it is, and it's like similar to all the other countries. It's that simple.
Okay, so
Hmm.
this is simple, but during the file, do you have your own pointers to guide for these students? I mean, आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा if you really want to secure your visa. Interview आता है embassy में या नहीं आता? What is the time span of the whole process? So आप थोड़ा यहाँ पे हमारे viewers को guide करेंगे क्या?
So you want me to guide them about visa process?
वीजा प्रोसेस, फिर कहाँ पे थोड़ा एम्फेसिस ज्यादा देना होता है स्टूडेंट को, वो सब पॉइंट्स.
Okay. Okay. Visa process is little we can say कि complicated नहीं बोल सकते, simple ही है, but documentation थोड़ा ज्यादा है. But try to make it very accurate. मतलब first of all your documents should be genuine. जैसे एक SOP create करना होता है, वो एकदम ज्यादा you should put your concentration on that because पूरा visa process उस पे rely करता है. Then you have to show your finances. जैसे अदर कंट्रीज में आपको कोई बैंक अकाउंट खोल के पैसे भरने हैं, आयरलैंड में इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. यू जस्ट हैव टू शो कि यू आर इनफ टू सर्वाइव ओवर दैट. तो फाइनेंसेस की आपको जो डिटेल्स देनी है उस पे थोड़ा ज्यादा ध्यान देना है. वॉट एवर यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग दैम, मे बी योर एफडीज और एनी काइंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ योर्स और योर पेरेंट्स. देन AVATS करके एक फॉर्म होता है जो वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. एंड that should be done, fulfilled all the points. Mainly उसमें बहुत basic details पूछते हैं, your name, your education profile and your past previous work experience and all that things. तो ये points है थोड़े, उस पे थोड़ा ज्यादा ध्यान देना I guess mandatory. Otherwise all the other things are same. You just have to put each and every documents in your file as they are asking. That's it, nothing more than that.
अच्छा अच्छा, और इंटरव्यू आता है या फिर और पूरे ये जो पूरा प्रोसेस है एडमिशन से लेके वीजा तक का, तो वो कितना चलता है?
Okay, it will hardly take I guess 7 to 10 days. That's what it took in my case. But I didn't have any interview with them. I have heard about telephonic interviews. There is no direct interview, but I didn't get any interview with that.
So even what we have experienced, I think 1 out of 100 students might get a telephonic interview. Just that. Otherwise, students do not get the interview.
But one more point important is they will verify your profile. Like I have my current working experience, so they did call over the place and ask about a few questions about me. So that was the important point, I guess, that you should keep it in mind because they will verify your details.
Yeah, so if I have to summarize, in the whole visa process, the most emphasis you have to give is on your SOP, all your documentations, your AVETS form, and finally your finances. Right?
Yes, definitely.
To secure these 4 points, your visa is more or less there within 7 to 8 days, like it was in your case as well. Yeah,
definitely. Once you get the admission, there are like 90% of the chances that you will get visa.
Oh, great. Okay, no problem. So let's end this conversation. The last question for you would be, आपने ये प्रोसेस कैसे कहाँ से किया? You being a distance student for Edugo Abroad, how was the experience? Do you have anything to say on that?
Yes, actually, I was planning to go Europe. Definitely, मैंने बहुत सारी countries decide की थी. But after going through all the things, I have selected Ireland. अभी उसके लिए I have searched in सूरत, but मुझे कोई अच्छी consultancy मिली नहीं. So one day I was just surfing on the internet and directly I got Edugo Abroad. So I did call and there was Komal on the phone.
Okay, yeah.
And she explained me everything. And I was very satisfied with her explanation. So I choose them. Even after that, during the admission process, Devanshi and Sanya was very helpful. And moreover that, they gave me a very good options as well. Plus, I gave them some of suggestions and they even did inquiry on that. So it's like mutual process. It's not like a dominant process. It was very mutual and thank you so much for that. And visa file, which we say that it's a little tough, okay, but they divided in small, very small steps, and this is how I would get the time to collect all the documents, and they made it very easier for me.
Oh.
And thank you so much, Tejas bhai, for that, because it wouldn't possible without him.
Oh, that's
And
it's quite a speech now. Thanks.
yeah. And last but not the least, thank you so much, Chintan sir. Means like the whole experience was really great, and I have been like in very pleasure since now, because मेरा काम कहीं पे भी अटका नहीं है. मतलब I have decided, and जितने भी steps से I have cleared it just in a single attempt. So that's why
Wonderful.
I'm very thankful. Thank you so much.
No, this is our work, and we always take pride when a student comes back to us and appreciate our work and our services. And just to end the call, I would like to congratulate one more time, and also would like to wish you all the best for your career in Ireland. And I hope to see you there in Ireland itself.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. It
Thanks.
was a nice
Bye-bye.
meeting. Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye bye.